Hello, hello. Live stream number 15. Let's do it. Hopefully, everyone can hear me. Was not a good start of the week yesterday. Very choppy. Very choppy. Whew. Wow, this crashed all the way down. Hmm. I didn't think it was going to go down that far. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Good morning. All that. Glad you can hear me. All right. Okay, so since yesterday was so stalled out, I'm assuming today is going to be active. Yeah, I did lose those two. I actually want to check those out right now because I think I could have went for 2 reward instead of 3, and I probably would have got it. So I'm gonna see right now. Let's see. This one was here. Let me just measure real quick. Remember, I got in here like I think 6. Okay. So if I would have went for 2 reward instead of 3, I would have got that trade yesterday on the EGBP. And then the other one was you Frank. What did I do here? Let's see if I can remember. Oh yeah, this one. This one I got stopped out by 6. Oh, I got stopped out by 3 pips. So yeah, this one I got stopped out by 3 pips. The other one I went for 3 reward when I should have went for 2 reward. Terrible. But I had the, I had the right stuff. This one here, I took the trade here, and I had my stop loss right there. So, yep. Just barely missed it. Just barely missed it. That's the worst, but Right, I was right, exactly. I was very, very right. Yeah, it happens. It's all good. So, it's down 4 reward. So, I'm going to need at least one solid trade today. Get back on track for the week. Okay. We have Fed Chair Powell speaking today. Apparently, that's a big deal. Hmm. There might be another short opportunity here, possibly. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Um, and the East, what? This is still going down? Man. All right. Yeah, those are some unnecessary losses yesterday, but okay. Of course, I'm a little mad. That should have been uh +5. That would have been a really nice profit. Whew. Yeah, I think the dollar should be coming down finally. It did end up coming down a little bit. It was kind of after the session. Yeah, it wasn't until the New York session over here. That's when the dollar finally started to actually come down. So it took a minute. Right. All right. Got 17 minutes before the open. Got a little bit of time. Yeah. It looks like a repeat of yesterday, but better. This looks shortable right here. No, it is before the session. Yeah. So maybe a little bit risky. EMATC. Yeah, there should be a lot of movement today, for sure. Expecting big moves today. Expecting this to continue down. Yeah, UCAD should continue down. Yeah. Yeah, today should make up for yesterday pretty easily. That's what it's looking like so far. Um, I did go for this little quickie here. Depending on what happens, I might even try a 3 reward. We'll see. Depending on what happens with the UCAD, I might even go short here before the session too. Definitely might. Oof, this has been a long day. $136 2. Yeah. Or here. Or even here where it's at the 21. That's the 50% retrace right there. So we'll see what happens. I'm definitely, well, I'm not going to say definitely. I'm most likely going to short this here at some point in the next 15 minutes. Just waiting for it. Definitely got some momentum. So I'm going to wait for a bar in the other direction before I do anything. Let's see if we start off with a nice. Oh, no. Maybe not. Oh, hold on. Nope. It was worth a try, though. Now, this one. Yeah. I would say the dollar continues down. Oh, what was I up to today? Working, working, more working. Getting paid half decently, so I really can't complain too much, but I was definitely working a lot today. Okay, this is the 50% retrace area. Got too much momentum. Yeah, I'm definitely expecting a lot of movement on the majors. It looks like the EGBP is probably going to continue up. Maybe I gotta get this to come down here. Down in here somewhere. Okay, still got 7 minutes before the open. Like I always say, I try not to take trades before the open, but there are some times where it is actually the right move. If it's a super heavy move, you can get away with it. But if it's something that's just forming, it's probably better to wait. Yeah, the GU. Problem with the GU is the Euro GBP is going up. So gonna it's gonna push the pound down. Euro is going up. This is coming down heavy, which is kind of shocking, really. So it looks like the AUD will be weak for the remainder of the session, looks like. Okay. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, it means the Euro USD. The USD goes down. You got the Euro GBP going up. That means this should go up pretty heavy and fast. That's if the Euro GBP continues going up. But looking at the hourly chart, it looks definitely more bullish for sure. And then so does this one too. But the odd and the NZD are not looking as strong. NZD looks half decent. That's because of this. The odd is dropping so heavy. Okay, 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes. Man, I can't wait till I can figure out how to play music on here where you guys can hear it. Oh, caffeine pills? Yeah, you got to get the time release caffeine pills. They're like $10 on Amazon. Well, I mean, I'm not telling you what to do, but that's the ones I take. They last like 8 hours. So I'm able to stay up for 21 hours at a time, which I don't recommend either. But that's kind of just my schedule right now. I'm just kind of having to, I'm just having to deal with it. Okay, waiting on a short opportunity here, which I believe should happen pretty soon. We got about a minute before the open. Kenneth the Gojo, how's it going? All right, 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. Okay, just looking for the short here. And the long on the others. I've been trading about 3.5 years. Almost exactly 3.5 years. Yeah, yeah, I was seeing those, Victor. It's way more complicated than I had time for at the time. I thought it was gonna be easy, so um oh, now this wants to come down? Is that what's yeah. Okay, okay. Oh yeah. Right. I guess we're hopping back into this one. Is that what we're doing? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. It's my second attempt on this one. And again, fails twice. I'm gonna leave it alone for the rest of the day. All right, what's going on with the UCAD? Yeah, yo. All right. I think you can get away with shorting this probably now. A tad bit risky. You could double up on the stop. That would probably be good enough. Okay. Yeah, at worst, you could double up on the stop here, but this should be fine. Okay, so far it's looking good. Okay. I might have to double this stop. Uh, I'll double the stop. Give it some space. Once it comes down far enough, I'll move it back to one reward stop or one instead of two. Okay, this one's looking pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I think the UCAT ultimately comes down. I don't think it'll go up much further. I'm not sure where the EGBP is going to end up going for the entire session, but I think it should at least do this and then continue maybe going up after. But yeah, this is my second attempt on this one. So if this one fails, I'm going to leave that pair alone. Okay. I double this one too. Where I put it. See. Okay. That's as far as I'm going to move these. If I was wrong, I was wrong. Okay. Am I going to be saved or am I going to get wrecked? Oh. Oh. Damn it. Ah. Yeah, you get that Fed share news. You get 7. Okay, well, these are definitely some overextensions. So I'm just going to have to wait. Yeah, I don't think this is going up for any extended period of time, at least. Okay. So what I mean by overextension, if you got like a really good, solid pattern or solid trend on like the hourly chart, and it goes like this right here. This is a, let me show you. Like this right here was this was a solid uptrend here, and it went way down out of that uptrend. That means it's gonna go right back up, and that's exactly what happened. Those are actually the best moves, where it pulls back where it shouldn't. That means it's gonna go back to where it was. Those are the easy 3 reward moves, and they're fast too. So there's going to come a point sometime soon here where this should go right back up. And it might even go further. And then same thing here. This should come down. I don't know if it'll come all the way down here. So for this one, I'll wait for either an engulfing top or a double top. Some type of solid reversal pattern, and then you can get in the other direction. So that looks like it's going to happen now. So engulfing top, you want a big bar and then one or two small consolidation bars. Double top, you want it to come down to like here and then go back up and then come down again. Either one is fine. But you got all these falling so hard, they have to put in a solid reversal pattern too. This one especially. But I think this is going to come down. Yeah, too early. Yeah, whichever EMAs you use, it's up to you. It doesn't really matter which ones you use. Okay. So this is probably the reversal pattern here. But I have to give it a little bit more time. Yeah, AUD dropped because of this. This is why the AUD is dropping so heavy. And it should continue dropping for a while, just based off how strong this downtrend is. I believe this should eventually come down too. So at this point, you could set a sell stop down here and be able to get away with it. Why don't I trade authenticity? I do. It's just really far already. So I get nervous with this pair because I have seen that pair reverse on a dime a lot. I've seen it do that a lot. It's kind of like the Euro GBP. It'll just reverse out of nowhere, even if it's a heavy trend. This pair is kind of new to me. I added this pair maybe 2 months ago, 3 months ago, but I've had some good wins on it. Yeah. Yeah, the odd NZD is a little dangerous. That's a good word for it. Yeah. Yeah, I think the dollar's coming down. That's still my prediction. Obviously, that's not happening right now. But at some point during this session, I think it should come down. I don't think it's going to take all the way until New York session. So I'm going to wait for it. That is my prediction. Oh, you think it'll drop until the news at 7? Well, I hope it doesn't take that long. That's I won't be trading at that point. I don't know if it's going to take that long. I don't see this dropping way down here. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out which one of these is the best one to go with. Oh, yeah, like I said, I'm looking for a double top or an engulfing top. And I'll sell this one. This is also sellable here. Might want to wait for an actual pattern though. You probably can get away with selling right now. Gold, I didn't check on. Gold should continue up, I think. He's based off this 4-hour chart. Okay. On West Coast time? Nah. London session starts at midnight. Okay. Yeah, I think this is probably it. Like I said, I would use a sell stop. Nah, man, London session is midnight here. That's been the case. Yep. Okay. Is this it? Okay. Uh, Thinking, do I want to say? Don't want to sell here. Don't want to wait. I think I should wait a little bit more. I'll give it time to put in one consolidation bar at least. Okay. So this happens on occasion too. I'll be right, but something like this will happen, and then I'll have to re-enter. So like I said, I'll let it actually print the pattern before I do anything. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think. Well, you could at least get away with the sell stop right there. Market order might be a little too risky, a little too early. But yeah, if it drops below there, then we should be in there. Okay. Here's that overextension I was talking about. Hmm. All right. Is it going to put in a double top or is it just going to be engulfing top? Mr. Sir. Hello, sir. Okay. So we might get a double top here. This move here, this was just like I said, overextended move because the UCAS should have been coming down anyway. So the fact that it went up so far when it should have been coming down means it'll come down even further. And then the same thing with these. These should go back up to where they were. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Those should all go back up if the dollar does come down like I think it will. And same thing here. I think this should have been coming down. So it'll probably continue down from here. So, like I said, these are the best moves for sure because they always go at least 3 reward, if not more. It would have already went 3 reward from where it was down here and went up even further. I used the 8, 21, and 200. But like I always say, you can use whichever EMAs you want. It's just a reference point, so you know where things are. Where things are. Okay. So we're at the 21 EMA. This is a very common reverse point. So like I said, it might go back up and put in like a double top, or it might just consolidate for a bar or two and then continue going down. Those are the two things that'll commonly happen here. So we'll see if that actually goes down. Should be the case. This should continue down. You got another short opportunity here too. But yeah, all these major pairs are just gonna do the same thing. So I wouldn't take too many different trades on those. How do I spot the overextensions? So on the hourly chart, if you have a big heavy trend going down like this and it goes way back up, here's another good example. Where's that rectangle? Here we go. Here's another good example. Got this big move down, obviously a really heavy downtrend, and it goes all the way back up, like the 21 EMA. That means it's going to continue going down even further. Those are the easiest moves. Pretty much guaranteed 3 reward. Okay, yeah, this one's coming down nice now. It should continue down, I believe. Yeah, the hourly chart, in my opinion, is the best chart. It's not too slow, it's not too fast. Gives you really good signals. Yeah, price correction, pullback, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, yeah, safe and easy. Those are like the best moves, really, and they happen all the time too. Okay, so like I said, it's possible to get a double top here on the 5 minute and the 3 minute. Hmm. Right, it's looking like a pretty decent day. All right, let's see. We're gonna get a double top here. Maybe not even. Thank the Lord I actually get to sleep today. More than like 4 hours. Ah. Okay. All right. I'll be right back. Oh. All right. All right. Let's see if we get a double top here. Now, if it goes past that top, I'd be a little worried. Right. So far, it's looking pretty good still. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. This one's coming down pretty nice. This one should also continue down. I don't know. I'm used to it. I'm used to trading London. It does play some games with you sometimes, especially at the beginning of the session. It loves the reverse at the beginning and then finally do what it was supposed to do later on. That happens a lot. But if you're ready for it, you know. Yeah, New York is the better session for sure. But I can't fit New York into my schedule right now, so maybe later in the year I'll be able to trade the New York session. All right. So like I was saying, if this goes much higher than this top here, I'd be a little bit worried. I don't think that's going to happen though. Make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Helps the algo. Depends on the day. Today we have the heavy news coming at 7. It's definitely delaying things. And like I said, I'm not gonna be trading at 7, so you know I'm gonna try to get something going. I might stay on until like 2 at the latest, 2:30 at the latest. All right, so let's see what happens here. Like I said, I'd be very shocked if it went up above this. It might come up here at the most. It shouldn't go much higher. Yeah, those caffeine pills definitely work. There's no way I could stay up for this long without those. Okay, let's see what we get here. Like I said, if this just keeps on going up, I'd be super shocked. Yeah, I'm using OBS right now. Yeah, you can put it on uh like you can load it through OBS, but it makes the stream slow. It makes the stream lag. So I have to like stream it through YouTube through my through another audio source, which is, I'm kind of new to this stuff. So it's not like just click a button. I have to like do this whole thing. A little more complicated than I thought it would be. Okay, so it did go above the top. Let's see what happens now. Are we going to get a move back down, or is it going to keep going? Yeah, like I said, I don't think it's going to go up much further. Man, I tell you, I go through some water. I'll be right back. Man, is that upcoming news really causing all this chaos? Okay, there we go. That looks better. I was going to say, if this keeps going up, I'd be like, okay. I would be shocked and confused. Okay, this looks like a decent short here too. Just need to see an actual red bar on the 5 minute. Okay. Yeah, this is shortable here. And it's 3 reward. Possibly early. Dollar at least looks like it wants to start coming down. UCAD. Yeah, it didn't make it much further. That's a good sign. Yeah, I think on Thursday I'll have time to figure out the music thing. Okay. I think we finally got some solid moves here. An hour later. It only took a whole hour. It happens. Yep. Oh, it's good. Everything is looking good. Hey, I had to work for these bad boys. Yeah, Thursday I'll figure out the music and the sound effects. Since I've committed to doing these Monday through Friday, might as well make it fun. It's gracious. Oh my god. Please don't tell me I have to re-enter this again. It really can't go that much further up. Okay. All right. So this one's coming down. Yeah, everything is moving really weird today and yesterday. Black hole. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one they were talking about. Hold on. Route audio between apps. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I need. Let's see. Hmm. I'm not gonna lie, this website looks a little scammy. Okay. I had to put in my email for them to send the download link to. It's a little different. Okay. All right. All the trades are looking good now. Finally. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Oh, okay. Wow, this is some. Oh my god. There's a black hole 2 channel, black hole 16 channel, black hole 64 channel. Ah! I feel like I need a tutorial just to figure out which one to download. Oof. Oh, if you're unsure of which version to download, use black hole 2 channel. Oh my. All right, I guess I'll get that one. Wait, can I just download all of them? Man, I'm so bad with this audio and video editing and stuff. This is all new to me. I've only been doing this video, the YouTube stuff for like a year and a half. Okay. Shockingly, I'm still in this you freak. I wasn't gonna move the stop on that one. I don't think it has much further up to go. So I'm just gonna let that one ride. If I have to re-enter, that's fine. This trade I took earlier is going through now. That's already. My stop is down here though. It's maybe a little risky on the stop. Or sorry, the take profit. Okay. I downloaded the Uh, I downloaded the 2 channel and the 16 channel. I mean, I guess since I'm here, I'll just get the 64 channel one too, huh? I'll just get all of them. Oh, is there like a tutorial on here? Let's see. Route system audio. Ooh. Phew. Okay. Yeah, this is like a. Yeah. I have some free time on Thursday. Oh, don't. Oh, God. Hopefully this damn trade goes through. It's a 3 here. I forgot to show you guys the trade. But I'm in for 3 on this EGBP. Like I said, the take profit is kind of in a risky area because the spread's kind of heavy. And I needed to go like down here somewhere. Yeah. But yeah, I'll have time on Thursday. I'll set all that stuff up. Get some sounds and some music. Make the stream more fun, interactive for me and you. Yeah, got going on here. All right. Yeah, this take profit is a little risky. Oh, ah, shit. Gracious. Okay. Man. Yeah, info. Yeah, I hear you. It is serious stuff. Also have to be like entertaining too though. It could, get people to continue watching. That'd be a good mixture of both. That's what I've been noticing. Good info wrapped in a entertaining package. Man, there is so much choppy, crazy movement today. They don't want me to make any money today. I'm keeping my take profit right where it is on this one. I'm not moving it. I believe. The AUD, let's see what's going on with the odd NZD. Still going down. Yeah, this is a heavy trend on the hourly. This should continue going down. It's super heavy. Yeah, yeah. Actually found a whole entire like genre of music or whatever on YouTube. It's like chill, relaxing. I have to remain calm while I'm trading. I can't be playing like hype stuff. Back when I used to trade hyper, that's when I used to lose money. I had to calm it down. Forex is more like a patience game. Has Nain Malik. Um, you click on this thing right here, and then you can pick whichever layout. And then you can pick the different charts up here, different pairs over here. Yes, sir. Yeah, I see people trade on their phone. I don't know how. I don't know how anybody does that. I need to at least be able to see the 5 minute and the hour. I could trade with just those. I could probably take these other two off, really. I hardly even look over there anyway. The 3 I use more. The 15 out, I really don't even use it. It's just kind of there. It helps sometimes. All right. Like I said, I am not moving this Euro GBP take profit. I'm leaving it right there. I'm being stubborn. I think it's at 2 reward right now. Let me see. Well, not anymore. It was. I'm leaving it there. If it fails, it fails. God, you were more profitable on your phone. That's how I first learned. Yeah, I first started like reading about forex back in 2016. And I was seeing all these guys driving these McLarens and Ferraris and stuff on Instagram. I was like, what the hell are these guys doing? I got to get in on this right here. I don't even need a Ferrari. I just want a beam ski. Info, yeah. Yeah, you know if you are having a problem like finishing, you might want to just like step away for a day or two and clear your head and then come back. You can get like too excited about making money and start making a bunch of mistakes. Just don't rush at all. You have to be super, super patient. Just act like there's not a time limit at all. That's the best way to do it. As far as those challenges, remove the time limit. If it takes you a month, it takes you a month. And you got the 14-day extension. You got plenty of time to finish. Ah, this thing is bouncing all over the place. I'm starting to feel like I shouldn't even have traded today. This is just all over for no reason. Yeah, I've done that before too. Yeah, especially like I don't know, 2 years ago when I first heard about FTMO and I started like getting good at it and I was able to pass challenges. I would get to the verification part and just be way too excited and end up losing on that part. So, it just takes experience and time. Yeah, like I said, just step away for a couple days. There's always going to be good moves. In the 3.5 years I've been trading, I've never seen a day without at least one good move, one good pattern that you can make at least 2 or 3 reward from every single day. Only time that was like untradeable was the presidential election and when COVID first started. Oh, can I say that? The worldwide sickness first started. I'm gonna flag my damn video because of that. I don't know if you're allowed to say that word. I don't know. YouTube has a new CEO. I don't know if they're doing all that anymore. Susan has left the building. Oh lordy. Oh man, where you been? They've been doing that. Like the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. There's just certain words that'll like get your video flagged. So people have been saying like other stuff instead. So you don't say the actual word, you just say worldwide sickness. Such and such person deleted themselves. Yeah, people had to get real creative with how they were talking for a while there. Like I said, I don't know if that's still going on, but just in case. I have a finance channel. I don't need to be getting in trouble for anything. I'm not gossiping or anything like that. I'm over here talking about numbers and trading. I don't see how I could possibly get flagged. Okay. Are these trades going to finally go through or what? No, it's not a conspiracy at all. That's just how it's been for a while. Like I said, I have a safe channel. I'm not really talking about anything, anything like that where they could be like, all paranoid about me revealing the truth or something. I'm just trading the currency market. Yeah, just go on YouTube and type YouTube censorship. You'll see like a whole. You'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I was a little greedy with this trade here. I'm still gonna let it run though. I'm not changing it. Nope. Let it run. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, it's gotten crazy ever since the worldwide sickness. Things have not been the same ever since. I'm really mad about Walgreens not being 24 hours anymore. That's pretty high on my list of stuff I'm not happy about. I used to always go to Walgreens. Like, I would go right now. But no, it's closed. I go at like 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I know they close at 10 now. Womp womp. Hmm. This has been a very, very choppy day. Hmm. Yeah, everything is chopping all over the place. I was like, maybe I'm missing something on the yen. Those are chopping around too. You said you're on your last trade. Goodness. It's like impossible to get a freaking trade today. I'm sticking to my statement. I think the dollar's coming down. Still, it's my original prediction for today, and that's still my prediction for today. Whenever what's his face gets up there and says what he had to say, it's probably gonna come down even faster. Yeah, it's a choppy mess for now, but ultimately it should come down. That's what it's looking like to me. Yeah, this is some. Yeah, like I was saying, I was risky with this take profit. So if I lose this trade, I won't be too surprised. It could still go through though. It might just take forever. Hmm. Dollar index. Yeah. Only thing is, it is at this heavy level here on the hourly. I still think it's coming down. I'm sticking to my original plan here. This is getting a nice pullback too. I'm still kind of scared of this pair sometimes. It does some strange stuff. It's good when it's good. Oh yeah. Oh, finally. Okay. This one is finally doing what it's supposed to do. I believe I'm still in it. Oh yeah. I doubled the stop on this one. That's why. 12. So it's a 2 and a 3. Yeah. Lose 2, win 3. That's how I set that one up. It's just a pullback to the 21 EMA on the hourly. Like I said, I'd be really shocked if it went higher than that. But you know, it does happen, especially on a choppy, crazy day like today. This would be the day where something like that would happen. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm ready for a couple of months, full time trading, not having to work, I don't know, 60 hours a week or whatever I'm doing. That is the plan. Man, I gotta win at least one of these damn trades. At least one. Come on now. Yeah, I'm usually done by now. I'm usually done by like 1 o'clock, 1:30, like an hour and a half into the session. I've usually gotten all my trades in. Yeah, the yen. Um, Let me see if I can pull this tab over here. Yeah, I'll pull it over here for a second. So this is my setup over here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. You guys can see that, right? This is what I have over here, but like on a big monitor. So these are not so tiny. So yeah, all the yens, the yen especially because the yen is the second half of all of these. So yeah, they'll all go in the same direction. And when that happens, you've got all the momentum in your favor. So that's kind of sort of happening right now, but it's just too choppy at the moment. But yeah, all these will go in the same direction typically. Oh, can I put it back? Okay. Yeah, I wish I could show this screen over here. It's just too big. It doesn't fit into the monitor. These small monitors. Yeah, the yen pairs tend to go really far in one direction. They'll go up and up and up and up and up for like days. I have 3 monitors right now. Yeah, this one over here. That's showing the YouTube controls and the OBS. And then I got this main one here. The one you can see. And then this over here to my left is the big one it has on my watches. I call them watch lists basically. So I can see like all the major pairs. I can see all the yens. I can see all the cross pairs all at once. Because like I said, most of them tend to go in the same direction anyway. So I always try to pick the one that has like the most momentum behind it. Yeah, this is the choppiest day I've seen in a while. Let's see. I didn't even look at the volume. Yeah, the volume is high. Yeah, the volume is really high, actually. High volume and no movement. Nah, I've never traded the Nasdaq 100. I traded the S&P a couple times. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm kind of like stuck having to watch these trades because I doubled up on like two of my stop losses. So just in case things get too, I don't want to lose that much. I might get out of some of these trades early if they start looking bad. But yeah, trading off a fast chart like the 5 minute, like I do, occasionally you'll have to double up on a stop. And occasionally I'll even triple on a stop. Just depending on what's going on. It's really best to wait for two confirmations. Solid pattern. Since the chart is so fast. Yeah. I could be wrong. I'm usually right when it comes to the dollar. That's the one I've been watching since like second or third month of trading. So I know the dollar and the dollar pairs really well. But I am wrong sometimes. try to keep between like a 65 to 80% win rate, 70, 75, somewhere in there. Yep. All right. Use the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back. Hmm. I think this is the worst day I've seen this year. Worst day of 2023 for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm used to it now. I used to not be calm at all. Actually, no, I used to. Oh man, especially when I first started, I used to flip out. I was so reckless back then. Huh. Yeah, one of these days I'll show you guys like my first year of trading because I still have the accounts. I'll just show you all the crazy reckless stuff I did. 50% risk on a trade. I was doing all kind of crazy stuff. I blew up a bunch of accounts back then. I've come a long way. I was a terrible trader at first. Goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Worst day I've seen all year. 100%. Oh my goodness. Every time I get on Twitter, I'm just like, oh man. Twitter is a crazy place. Right. I'll stay on here for like half an hour longer, possibly. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, I usually just go for like 10 reward per week. I'm okay with 5. Sometimes I'll get 15. You can get up in the 20s if you're doing really, really good. But yeah, 10 reward per week is very reasonable and achievable. And you get to that by just taking super high quality trades only and not taking anything less than an A minus. You do it like that, yeah, you'll very easily make money. Yeah, you want to go for top level trades, but you don't want to miss every trade too. You have to actually pull the trigger and get into trades. Yeah. Yeah, today just might just it might just be one of those choppy days. I haven't seen one really this entire year until now. This is the first one. All right. Okay. Huh. This trade. Okay. Maybe this one finally goes through. Yeah, I was a little too greedy with that take profit. Yeah, this one's looking much better. Much, much better. Man. Slow and choppy. Yeah, I can probably only last like 20 more minutes. Definitely getting sleepy now. All right, might be able to capture this win here. For the video. I'm excited for this black hole thing. Appreciate the tip. Yep, Thursday I'm gonna get all that stuff set up. It's gonna be pretty fun. Mayan. Yeah, they have a bunch of tutorials on the website. So I'm just gonna follow that. Maybe look around YouTube. There's almost always a tutorial for everything. YouTube University. Yeah, YouTube is like better than college, really. Real experience from real people. I'm saying, who even needs school at this point? You can get a certification and learn whatever you need to learn on YouTube. And books, buy your own books, and you got to like redo the whole thing. Ugh. Yeah, they are pushing all type of weird stuff. Yep. See that I can't get into. That's how I will get in trouble if I start talking about that. But we already know what it is. I'm not even gonna. I don't have to say anything. You guys already know. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah, it's just taking too long. I guess all the action is gonna happen. When is this news event? Tuesday, 7 a.m. So in about 5 hours, when Mr. Powell gets up there and says what he has to say, I guess that's what everyone is waiting for. Because, yeah, this is way too choppy and too slow to do anything with. So I'll let these couple of trades I have go ahead and run. Most notably this one. So yeah, take profits in like a tough spot. But yeah, it should go through. And not only go through, it should continue to go down too. But I don't want to push it too far. I'll just go ahead and take the 3 here. And yeah, I think I'll close up shop for today. It's just moving a little bit too slow for me to just be sitting here watching it. So yep, I'll let these couple of trades run. See the results in the morning. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll see you all tomorrow. Stream starts at 11:30 Pacific time. Later.